Welcome to Siemens Servo motor repair facility at Thailand. Siemens Servo and main motors has been the industry standards for motion control systems. However, with the usage of any machine, it requires repair and maintenance. This repair procedure should be the shortest to improve production cost of any factory. The quality of the repair and maintenance process should be top-notch to avoid any unplanned outage during the production process. As servo motors have feedback devices such as encoders, resolvers and tachos, extra care must be taken while handling them. Siemens cares about quality and customer relationship, which goes hand in hand in this very competitive industrial environment. We maintain a fully equipped servo motor repair facility to perform the job as per factory specifications, and our workshop is the only repair facility in ASEAN region which can save your precious time and cost for a new replacement motor. When a motor is received by our workshop, necessary tagging is done to enter the details of the motor into our system. This helps in tracking the motor through its various stages of repair. Then incoming inspection is done to check for electrical and mechanical faults in feedback systems such as encoders, resolvers, tachometers, etc. If all the parameters are within operating standards, we also do a standard run at full speed to check for dynamic parameters such as voltage and current. After incoming inspection is done, we provide you with the details of the services required for your motor. Our overhaul services helps to make your machines and plants more profitable and efficient throughout the entire life cycle. We recognize the importance of overhaul and work closely with you to minimize downtime and cost to meet quality standards and guarantee the performance of your engines. We provide replacement services for bearings, seals, O-rings and other small related parts within the motor. We also have metal spraying facility to bring back the motor to factory specifications. Encoders, resolvers and tacho are very important feedback devices for a servo motor, and these parts require utmost precision in handling. We have standard equipment from factory to check, align and replace these feedback devices. We provide testing and replacement of temperature sensors as they play a vital role while the motor is in operation. The rotor of a servo motor has magnets. We have standard test stand to perform the in-generator operation and check if the magnetism of the rotor is still within the factory specifications. A faulty rotor could lead to inefficient operation of the motor, which in turn affects the plant's production costs. Servo motors have holding brakes to hold the motor in a particular position after it stops. We test these brakes and also provide replacement services for every model of brake fitted to your motors. After the motor is repaired and assembled, we perform a full-speed test run of the motor to check if all the important parameters are within range. After your motor is brought back to factory specifications, it needs to look impressive as well. We have an in-house paint shop which stocks standard colors for Siemens motor. However, if a non-standard color is required, this can also be arranged. We also provide balancing services for your rotor. The motor repair can be done within 7 to 10 working days. We also have a fast repair service where you can get your motor within 24 hours. We have a flat rate pricing system where you get the price for the motor to be repaired even when the motor is with you. From our local workshop, you will have added benefits of reduced downtimes, system inspection as done by the manufacturer, and electrical and mechanical tests according to factory tolerances, alignment of encoders, resolvers and other feedback devices using standard equipment. record keeping of error codes for future references, service reports along with record keeping for future references. And in case your repair is uneconomical, we also provide you with retrofit solutions. It has been a pleasure to have you with us. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ